As we already know what is the use of loop, so now let's see one of the loop, which is for. So this is the syntax for. This is a keyword, expression 1, expression 2 and expression 3. This is initialization expression or a statement, so, and this is the conditional statement, conditional, and this is either increment or decrement. This is the statement 4 where all the required statement will be written. Now let's see how the control works here. When the control first come here, so the expression 1 will be executed first, and after this one the control will goes to this one, conditional control 2, expression 2, and based on the condition whether it's true or false, it can either come inside or go outside. If it is true, then it will come here inside the block. If it is false, then it will just go outside the block. If the condition was true, so the control will come inside this one, and after the last line of the statement, the control will again goes to this expression 3, and after doing this either increment or decrement, the control will come here, and then again it will check the condition whether it's true or false, and if it is true, then again it will come inside this block, and if it is false, the control will come out this side. So I'll just take one example and then I'll demonstrate you how this control will work. I have replaced all the expression with printf statement, and one thing you have to keep in mind is that there are 2 semicolons inside this parenthesis. Okay, there is no semicolon in the end, because if you put the semicolon on the last, this will treated as a one statement, and this block will not be part of this for statement. Now, as I told you, when the control comes here, this is the first initialization statement that will be executed. So our output will be expression 1, and then the control will goes to here, and then this is generally conditional statement, and this will be executed. So the control comes here, okay, then goes here, and then what will be printed? Expression 2, and then if it is true, then it will come inside. If it is false, it goes outside. And all the function, whether printf statement, returns some values, so it is always true. So it means the control will come inside, and then expression 4 will be printed. Okay, so after executing this statement, as I told you, so control again goes here, and then it will execute this expression, that is expression 3. So we will get expression 3. Then again the control comes here, and then it will check whether it's true or false. It means the expression 2 will be printed, and if it is true, control will come inside. So as we all know that printf is always true, so again the control will come inside x4, and then this will goes to expression 3, and then expression 2, and then expression 4. This will continue infinitely, and you won't be able to figure out what was printing on the screen, because it will be printed very fast. So what we will do, after printing this much, we will stop our program, and for that we will take one extra variable, integer I is equal to 0. Okay, and while coming inside this for block, we will increment the value of I by 1, and at the same time we will check the condition. If I is equal to 2, then break. Now let's see once again. Control comes here, printf expression 1, okay, then it goes here, expression 2, it is printed, then it is true, so it comes here, so the value of I becomes 1, it was 0 earlier, then printf expression 4, this one is printed. Now again it will check whether if I is equal to 2, no, it is not true. So after this line of a statement, it goes here, then it will print expression 3, then it comes here expression 2, then it is true, so it will come inside, and at the same time the loop, the I is incremented to 2, and then it will print expression 4. Let's make it as 3. this one, and again it will check if I is equal to 3, no, it is false. It will come in here, and then again expression 3 will be printed, then expression 2 will be printed, and after that I is incremented to 3, then it will expression 4 will be printed, expression 4 will be printed, and now it will check if I is equal to 3, yes, it's 3. So this will break the loop and control comes out. Now I will run the same program on the computer. I have written the same program here and I'll run it. Okay, so we got this output. Let's compare this with the output which I have written on the board. So now as you can see, we are getting the output as expected. So it's clear. So now it's clear how control flow of the for loops works. So let's take one example, simple example. So here I am taking I as a variable. So this one I 1, and now it will check the condition. After initialization, it will come here and it will check the condition I1 is less than equal to 5. The condition is true, then printf I, the value of I 1. Okay, then goes here, increment I by 1. So the value in I will be 2. Then come here, check the condition. 2 is less than equal to 5, yes. Then come here and print it. Again goes here, then the value of I will be 3. Comes here, check 3 is less than equal to 5, yes, print 3. Then again here it will be incremented by 1, the value will be 4. Then comes here, check condition is true, yes, then come here, print 4. Then comes here, then it will be incremented by 1, then this will be 5. 5 is less than equal to 5. Now this time this condition is being satisfied, yes, so it will come here and then it will print. So this is how 1 to 5 will be printed in the same program here. And now let's run it. So as expected, we are getting the output as 1 2 3 4 5. Let's see the flow chart of the for loops. So whatever I have explained, so that will be represented in this flow chart. So this is the initialization statement, like this one. Then the control will come here, condition, here condition, then it will be checked. If it is true, okay, if it is true, it was coming here, it will come inside the loop, and if it is false, direct comes out. If it is true, it comes inside loop, and after executing all the statement, it will goes for updating either increment or decrement, like here expression 3. And after that again it will go for condition checking. Okay, so after updating this one, it was coming here, okay, and again it was checking the condition. Okay, that's all. So I hope now you have a clear picture how control flow of for loop works. Now let's see some of the example based on the for loops.